Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to all viewers. Today we will going to Cotabato State University, especially to College of Agriculture and Fisheries. So please join us. Good day everyone. So we are here at Cotabato State University. We will interviewing the students here at Cotabato State University. Come on and let's ask them. Okay, before we start, can you tell us and to all the viewers your full name or say something about yourself?
Good day, sir, and to all viewers. So, I am Diana Diamadil. I was born on March 1, 2002, 23 years old, and I live at Tulingan Street. Additionally, I graduated at Cotabato City National High School, Rojas, with the strand of STEM.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, what are your struggles when it comes to studying?
One of my biggest struggle is time management. Sometimes I find it's hard to balance schoolwork with personal responsibilities. Two financial problems, it's hard to manage. But I am still to manage, and especially when the deadlines are too close together, but I am still to manage both.
Okay, so what is your daily routine?
My daily routine with waking up 8 p.m. to take shower and eat and preparing for school, attending my classes. After school, I'm going to home. I take a short break and eating, then do my activities, review lesson, and do my assignment. At 11 p.m., I'm going to bed. That's all, my daily routine.
So I have a last question for you. So, what motivation na nagagawa mo para magpursige?
My motivation is my family. I want to give them a better future and make them proud of me. Every time I feel tired, I remember myself of my goals to life and the people who believe in me.
So okay, thank you so much, Miss Diana Ganadel, and I hope sana you achieve the desired result. Okay, thank you so much. So okay, let's interview other students so we can find out their reasons for their living. Okay, let's go. Hello, good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So can I interview you? Can
Sure.
I ask some questions?
Sure.
Okay, before we start, can you tell us and to all viewers your full name or say something about yourself?
Sure. Good afternoon and Assalamualaikum. My name is Asha Ayub and from Bisa Buandi. I was born on April 15, 2004 and I live in Libak Sultan, Kudarat. And my strand is Yums from Libak.
Okay.
Libak Sultan, Kudarat.
Thank you. Okay, so are you ready for my questions?
Sure, anytime.
So here are my questions. So for the first one is, what is your daily routine?
Since I'm a night class student, my morning are for chores and a bit of rest. In the afternoon, I relax or work on assignments. Then I get ready for school. I go to school at CSU around 3 or 4 p.m. It ends late, but I'm used to it. After class, I go to home, eat, and finally rest. That's my daily routine.
Okay, thank you. So my second question is, what motivates you to preserve?
Okay. Being a student is thought you'll face challenges, sleepless and sleepless night, and moments of doubt. But every struggle is shaping more into someone pushing through because your future self will thank you for not guy giving up.
Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, Miss Asher Ayub. So here as the last question for you. So, what are your struggles when it comes to studying?
Okay, being a student is not easy. We face pressure from deadlines, sleepless nights, financial problems, and sometimes even self-doubt. But despite all the struggles, we know education is the key to our dreams. Kaya kahit mahirap, laban lang. One step at a time, we are getting closer to our goals. Thank you.
Okay, napakagandang sagot. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Astro. Now, let's ask one of the local students or LSC of College of Agriculture and Fisheries. Okay. Can I ask some question?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So, Miss Nazla, here are the first question to you. So, what are your struggles when it comes to studying?
So, for me, as a student naman is we have any struggles. So, my struggles in my studies are that I need to be frugal in using my money because we're not rich naman. So, my money because we're not rich. So, many students face the challenges of balancing academic responsibilities with personal well-being. So these struggles often leads to stress, anxiety, and burnout. So I'm trying to juggle classes, assignments, and social obligations. So additionally, financial pressures about my living expenses are especially affecting my studies because I'm a boarding student. That is very affecting my academic performance and my mental being.
Okay, so here are the second question for you. So, what is your daily routine?
My daily routine is to wake up early around 4 in the morning to pray, then read the Quran first, and to have breakfast, then use my cell phone for a while. But when I'm at my boarding house, I do the same thing. But after I have breakfast, I go back to sleep because my class is night class, so I need more sleep. And when I wake up, I use my cell phones again.
Okay, so now Miss Nazla, here are the last questions for you. So, what motivates you to preserve?
My motivation to serve in my studies is my preference is my family. They are my motivation, and they are the one who give me the strength to preserve in my studies, especially my older brother and sister, because our parents are not really able to work for us, and I want to prove them that I will not waste their sacrifices for me or for us. I want to show them that I can do it. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss. Good day, everyone. So, I'm here at the Cotabato State University. So, actually, this is the second day here at Cotabato State University. So, we will look for someone willing to answer our questions. So, here it is. So, now let's go. Good day, sir. Can I ask some question?
Yes.
Can I ask you, or can you tell us or to our viewers that what is your full name, or say something about yourself?
So first of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Rahim K. Baniyan. I am a student of Sab Section D. So I am 22 years old and was born on October 8, 2002.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Questions?
Yes.
So now here, so what are your struggles when it comes to studying?
So as a first year student, I found to staying the focus but during a long season that makes it hard afford observe information, managing the time, and efficiently when balancing school with other responsibility and with other responsibility sometimes it's difficulty to understand some complex and concept. Thanks, sir.
Are you ready for your second question?
Yes.
So now here it is. So, what is your daily routine?
So my daily routine, I start with eating breakfast and in the morning eating lunch. And after that, I'm going to prepare for the class. In the afternoon, it's 4 to 6 p.m. I take my dinner after I can go home. I can home.
Okay, thank you so much. So now, this is my last question for you. So, what motivates you to preserve?
Okay, thank you for my motivation. So my motivation is come from my desire of achieve my career and goals and support from my family and friends and excitement of learning new things and also find inspiration is seeing of fitness and opportunity that education can provide in the future. So thank you for interviewing me at Sukran.
Good afternoon, sir. So, can I ask some questions?
Yes, sure.
So, can you tell us and to all viewers that your full name or say something about yourself?
Good day, everyone. My name is Abdulaziz A. Kanakan. I was born on December 19, 2005. I live in Lower Bugong, Kalanganandos, Cotabato City.
Sir, what is your struggles in your everyday life?
First of all, my struggles in my everyday life is so challenging for me because I have to ride double because I'm from Kalanganandos, Cotabato City, and also the traffic lights is so challenging for me.
Okay, sir. So here are the second question for you. So, what is your daily routine?
My daily routine is after my homework, I go to school for my studies.
What motivates you to preserve?
For me and also for my parents. Thank you. Opo.
Sir, can you say something about yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Almaciles Bangko. I was born in December 29, 2004. I live in Kadingin ng Pigawain ng Cotabato.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So, are you ready for your questions?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Here are your questions. So, the first one is, what are your struggles when it comes to studying?
First of all, my struggle is in my everyday life is so challenging for me because I'm from Kadingin ng Pigawain ng Cotabato.
Okay, sir. So, the second question is, what is your daily routine?
My daily routine is I wake up early to go to school and not late.
Okay, so now let's proceed to the last question here. So, what motivates you to preserve?
My motivation to preserve is my ambition to achieve my dreams and also my purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.